Hey, Mzansi. Mzansi, this TikTok video of a cash heist that occurred in Diepkloof Soweto on Friday, 19 March, is circulating on social media and has been viewed more than 56,000 times. Hello and welcome to Entertainment News Mzansi. Now, if you're new to my channel, you know you're here for the story. Go ahead, click the subscribe button and the bell, and you'll never miss an update. So, armed men allegedly forced a Fidelity cash van off the road street in Diepkloof Extension 2 in Soweto and then bombed the cash van to gain access to the money. Now, in this TikTok video, gunshots can be heard in the background as people, including children, are seen running across the field. According to social media reports, the man allegedly used explosives during the cash heist to gain access to the money inside the vehicle. Now, in a separate video, flames are clearly visible in the background as community members mill around to get a closer look at the cash van on fire with police vans in the background. Twitter users claimed some residents took the opportunity to get their share of the cash, running towards the flaming van and taking money. According to witnesses, the suspect fled the scene with an undisclosed amount of money. Luckily, no one was injured during the incident. Now, Mzansi, go ahead and watch this next coming video. It looks like it was raining money in Diepkloof Soweto. Now, do leave your thoughts in the comments section below. I love to hear from you, but for now, I will bring you the updates hot, just the way you like it.
Oh yeah,
bazotsha abantu bayayikhupha